Making Easter cookies, press the space bar. Easter cookies. Ingredients: cookie dough, pastry board, flour, sugar cookie dough, rolling pin, rolling out cookie dough, cookie cutters, press the cookie cutters into the dough. Cut out dough shapes. Cookie sheet. Put the cutout shapes on the cookie sheet. Oven. A grown-up will. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. The oven temperature is set to get hot. The oven temperature is now 350 degrees. Timer. Set the timer to 12 minutes. The oven is ready to bake the cookie dough. A grown-up will put the cookie dough into the oven. Baking cookies. The timer buzzes after 12 minutes. The cookies are done baking. Using a baking glove, take the cookies out of the oven. Cooling rack. Cooling the cookies. Frosting. Ready to frost. Frosting the cookies. Sprinkles. Easter cookies. Yummy!